moment of sleep, create all the colors, fun things to see. Like everybody, I was scrolling and trying to look for something to connect to, but immediately, I mean, it was by like the third page. It was called The Dream. I love writing subject matter about dreams because
surrealistic mind.
Yeah, always in a surrealistic landscape. So I really like this story because it's a story that just keeps unfolding, completely literal but also very mystical in that sense. Yeah. So questions of wonder in search of the past. Hear all the music living, need friends in a glance. Joy in the morning,